In the chaos of World War II, the Allied forces weren't just fighting armies. They were fighting an invisible enemy that threatened to stop the entire advance across Europe. With troops on the move, epidemics like typhus and the effects of mass starvation could have killed millions. The man General Eisenhower chose to lead this other war wasn't a five-star general, but a doctor you've probably never heard of. Warren Fales Draper. This is the story of his quiet but crucial victory. Draper was assigned to SHAEF, the supreme headquarters of the Allied Expeditionary Force, and his mission was monumental. He had to create and run all public health policies for every single territory the Allies liberated or conquered. The situation was so dire, and his expertise so urgently needed, that he was brought in as a brigadier general and promoted to major general just 2 months later. His job was to stop civilian epidemics in their tracks before they could cripple the entire military operation. This wasn't just about saving lives. It was a strategic necessity. The two biggest threats Draper faced were severe malnutrition and louse-borne typhus. Typhus was terrifying. It brought on raging fevers and could kill anywhere from 10 to 40% of its victims, a number that climbs even higher in populations weakened by starvation. The war-torn landscapes of Europe, with their chaos and crowds, were the perfect breeding ground for a pandemic. So, Draper's public health unit rolled out a series of aggressive plans. They organized mass delousing efforts, pushed vaccination campaigns, and worked to get basic food and hygiene to civilians and soldiers alike. If you think forgotten stories like this one deserve to be told, take a second to subscribe and hit that bell icon. You won't want to miss what we uncover next. In the end, Dr. Draper's plans worked. By getting control of disease, he cut through the chaos of the war and made sure the Allied advance could continue. For his conspicuous distinction in service, he was awarded the U.S. Army Distinguished Service Medal. Dr. Warren Fales Draper never commanded an army, but his public health crusade was absolutely indispensable to the Allied victory in Europe.